We saw how starts with can help us find a search of a first character in a string. But sometimes we want to search in the middle of the string, and so the Boolean in keyword is very useful in this regard. So below I have a string called menu, and I just entered a number of things that might be in a menu in that string, and then I just can print in to the result here of to see if pizza is in menu. And so what this will do with the in keyword is pizza is just going to be the search string, and they're going to run it through this entire list to see if it gets a match. And so the way that it'll work is at each letter it'll just check if there's a P, and then when it's there it'll see the second letter and so on, and then it doesn't work, then it'll move on till it gets to the start again of another P. So we can run this, and it says false, but I see that right here there is pizza in the menu, but it wasn't found. So the problem in this case is that I need to have pizza be lowercase, and so I can run it with a lowercase p, and then I see that it's true. And so this is really a great part of Python here, is this the way that it works to just use this word in. It seems very natural to look for something like this because I named my variable menu and my search term was quite straightforward. I could just run this really easily. And I could use a variable in this case as well. So let's look over here at another version of pizza. In this case, I put lower and lower, and this is really a best practice that you should look for in any search. If you don't care about case sensitivity, then it's a good practice to make lower used in both sides, and we can see how that makes search run a lot faster. The in keyword is very effective in searching within strings, and so the best practice we use with that is when case sensitivity is not important, we can use dot lower and use that string method to make both the search string and the search target lowercase, and that will lead to really effective searching.